Angara.
Let us also listen to some inspiring words from the head of the Department of Education, Secretary Juan Edgardo Sonny Angara.
Gandang gabi po, naibag gabi, kada kayo amin, maayong gabi. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to our hosts, of course, starting with our amazing, dynamic governor, my friend, basketball mate. He's too much of a gentleman to say that his team beat our team handily. Governor Matthew Manotoc. Alam niyo, si Gov, hindi na umuwi yan. Plano niyang umuwi sa gitna ng linggo, maybe to get some rest, but he said he has to be here. That's the kind of guy and kind of leader that Governor Matt is. Hindi na po umuwi yan. He's leaving maybe tomorrow pa or tonight. But thank you, Gov, for being so hands-on and ensuring. I think your presence ensured the smooth transpiring of these games, this palaro. Maraming salamat. Of course, to his wonderful team at the provincial government of Ilocos Norte, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. To our, of course, I have to mention the President, my boss, because he made time to come here for the opening ceremonies. And many commented that it was one of the best opening ceremonies ever in the history of Palaro. Sabi nga nila, pang Southeast Asian Games, pang Asian Games na daw yung level ng opening ceremonies natin. So Gov, be careful what you wish for. You might not get another Palaro, but you might get a Southeast Asian Games or an Asian Games in your future. To our Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba, to Kong Sandro Marcos, thank you for the budgetary support in the 2025 budget. To our first sister, Ma'am Irene Marcos, her family and her friends, to your party, thank you for the support. I'm sure you had a hand in all this brilliant entertainment and culture. I know it runs in the family. Sa ating members po ng provincial board, of course to our host, Lawag Mayor Michael Kion, the legend who put forth Gintong Alay program during the first Marcos administration. To our ASEC, Ana Carmela Remigio. To our new chairperson, Chair Shirley Agrupis. Thank you and for inviting us to your launch party as chair. To our incoming hosts of next year's Palaro. We have over here Governor Santi Cane. We have Congressman Eddie Bong Plaza over here. We have Vice Governor Samuel Tortor. We have our mayors, Mayor Kirk Assis, Mayor Roscoe Plaza, and many of their officials from the provincial board. Of course, their RD is also here, RD Ines. Sa ating DepEd officials, of course, I have to mention our SecGen Yusek Malcolm Garma and his team for doing a fantastic job. Yusek Tra, Yusek Peter, Yusek Fatima, Yusek MJ. Hindi ko na lahatin, huwag kayong magalit sa akin, pero you know who you are. You know who you are, and I will have a chance to thank you personally in our own way. To our agencies, national agencies, DILG, PNP, BFP, PSC, National Academy of Sports. There's so many. To our superstar athletes who made time. Hindi naman nila kailangan pumunta rito sa Ilocos Norte, pero nandito po sila. Our Olympic golden girl, Heidelin Diaz. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for pioneering the weightlifting sport dito sa ating Palaro here. Ilocos will not forget that. The Palaro will not forget that. To our volleybells, of course, our mga idol ng ating kabataan, they're here. They've been here since yesterday. They awarded our winners in volleyball, Eliza Valdez, Kyle Negrito, and Tots Carlos. Maraming salamat. They're brought here courtesy of Rebisco and Creamline. Maraming salamat. To our other sponsors, baka magalit, baka Rebisco lang daw binanggit ko. Assist, Milo, BDO, East West, Finis, Otsuka, Rebisco, Geneva Office of Human Rights, Gatorade, Golden Global Commercial, Project Empower, Mary Lindbergh, City Savings, Fortune Life, Ducten, and BPI Legazpi Savings Bank. Maraming salamat. This would not have been possible without all of you. And of course, to our DepEd family, we have to mention our Regional Director, Tom Aquino, Asa si Tom? Where's Tom? Yeah. And of course, to his staff, to all of the regional directors here present, all of the USECs, the ASECs, all of the superintendents, all of the directors, to the Palaro Secretariat by Ma'am Marilyn. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, to Ilocos Norte, thank you for being such wonderful hosts. Thank you very much. We saw so many sides of Ilocos that we didn't know or had not encountered before. It's maybe my 4th or 5th time already in Ilocos, and every time I come back, it reveals a new side. So I hope some of you, yung hindi pa uuwi, may oras kayo para umikot dito sa napakagandang lalawigan ng ating Pangulo, ang Ilocos Norte. Sand dunes, the beach, I think these are world famous. Yung Paway Church, hindi tayo natuloy doon, pero please, it's worth seeing. That's where I think Madam Irene got married not too long ago. Hindi ba? sorry. What church? Basta magaganda lahat ng simbahan dito sa Ilocos Norte. And of course, to our delegations, led by the various regions, of course, we have to congratulate NCR for winning the first place again. ASEC Joyce will not forgive me if I don't mention it. Pero pagbigyan na natin kasi baka huling beses na yan di ba? Kasi pag iniba na natin yung rules at ginawa natin na doon ka maglalaro sa home region mo, baka delikado ang NCR, di ba? Gusto ba natin yon? Ang lakas ng palakpak ni Congressman Eddie Bong dito sa likod namin. Mukhang by popular demand, baka yan ang mangyari. Anyway, abangan na lang po. But to all our athletes, I'm sure marami kayong baon, marami kayong iuwing mga kwento ninyo. Yung iba, nasawi. But I want to echo what our beloved President said during our opening ceremony. Manalo, matalo, importante, nag-enjoy kayo, at importante, isipin nyo na kampiyon na rin kayo. Because not everyone here is a champion in their own right. Nanalo kayo sa provincial, nanalo kayo sa regional, and of course, nanalo kayo sa inyong mga schools. So congratulations po sa inyo. Of course, congratulations to our winners. You will be famous. You have a fan base already. Sabi nga nila, iba ang palaro this year. Parang nag-level up siya. At yung mga athletes natin ay talagang may sariling following and fan base. So I hope you build on that. I hope you build on your hard work. It's not easy to be where you are. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. And thank you to the people of Ilocos Norte for your wonderful hospitality. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Thank you.